guys! Welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make homemade fidget toys and where to find them super cheap. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so if you have no idea what a fidget toy is, I'll explain it to you very quickly. So a fidget toy is something to use when you're stressed out or you're feeling down, and it keeps your mind off of something. So a fidget toy can be a slime, squishies, Poppets, which are a very popular toy now on TikTok, which I've seen, or just any type of stress-relieving toy that keeps your mind away from stuff. And usually fidgets are used for people with anxiety, ADHD, any type of like illness kind of. So basically, and they are so popular on TikTok. And I remember even before fidget toys became popular, I used to always play with slime, of course, which you know this is what my channel is mainly about, which is slime and no glue slime. But I've also used to play with the tangles, which are those like long like plastic things that you like tangle up. I love those. I don't know where mine went, but I used to have so many of those. Or even just like Poppet toys. I love Poppets so much. But they become a very popular trend around TikTok and around younger people, and even some older people love fidget toys. And I thought I would show you guys some ways to make homemade fidgets and also some ways to find cheap fidgets for an affordable price. So the first type of fidget, of course, is slime. So if you're new to my channel, I always post no glue slime recipes, but you can also find slime at stores. Like I just went to Target today and look at all the slimes I found. I found this really cool Christmassy slime, and I also found this Nickelodeon slime kit. And slime, if you don't know what slime is kind of like a putty. And I'll take one of these out to show you guys. Slime is like a putty, it's stress relieving, and it's really nice to play with if you're ever stressed out. And you can also make no glue slime, which I post a lot on my channel. And here it is. But you can make no glue slime with any type of soaps. Like I recently just uploaded a dish soap slime recipe, which you can go check that out on how to make dish soap slime. And you can just use soap to make those. And if you want more detail on my no glue slimes, go check out any of the recipes. They all work amazing. But you can also get real slime from like Target, Walmart, even like your local corner store might have some. Like I went to Walgreens the other day. There was so much slimes there. So slime is a very popular stress relief too, which I love that. Okay, so the next popular type of fidget toy is actually Poppets. I love Poppets. I just got into these this past month. I asked for them for Christmas. My mom couldn't find them anywhere, but they are at Amazon. So all you have to do is go onto Amazon, type in Poppet. You just have to type in Poppet, and you will find these for about $10 to $20. Super cheap. This isn't the real one. I got like a ripped off version of it, but they're really nice, and I'll show you guys what they do. So all you have to do is you just have to pop these little bubbles, and this just keeps your mind off of stuff.
This makes you think, oh, this keeps your mind calm. You just pop these over and over again. I see everybody on TikTok using this. Poppets are so popular, and I can tell why.
Yeah, but these are super cheap, and I love these. I just ordered a bunch of other ones in different shapes, and I got a flower one and a star one. So I'm definitely going to be posting these on TikTok if you guys want to see more of those. But Poppets are very popular. You can find them on Amazon. I think you can also find them at like the paper store if there's one near you. So go check out stores to find them. Okay, so the next type of fidget toy is probably one of my favorites, and they are Orbeez toys. So Orbeez are basically these little like squishy ball things that are like gels, and they can grow and stuff. And I got this pack from Target, and you can basically make your own Orbeez things like this one. I found this at the dollar store. You can find these at the dollar store. These are like little like squishy things with Orbeez inside. They're really nice and really nice stress relievers. Like look at that. They're so cool. Okay, it also comes in other ones. Like here's one of these ones. These have like slime inside of them. Like look how cool this is. It's called a squish ball. I got this from Target in like the $3 to $5 section. It's the $3 to $5 section at Target. And look how cool this is. I love these kinds. Isn't that so cool? Then I also got this one today, which I was so excited and already opened it. This is a squish ball with jumbo beads inside. Look how cool this is. So satisfying. Also, please don't mind that that's makeup on me and glue, because I was filming a bunch of videos before this. So satisfying and stress relieving. And you can make your own Orbeez by basically just using these Orbeez balls and putting it in a plastic bag, sealing it tight, and you can make one just like this or even just like this. And there's a bunch of tutorials on YouTube. I might make my own this week on it, but yeah. Okay, so the second to last type of fidget toy is Kinetic Sand. Oh my gosh, Kinetic Sand is such a throwback for me. I love Kinetic Sand. I got a few of these for Christmas actually, and I was really excited to show them. But Kinetic Sand is basically sand that kind of is like slime, but I'll show you basically just by showing it, you guys. Kinetic Sand has been around for a while, but it's basically just like sand that's like spreadable and moldable, and it's really cool. I actually love Kinetic Sand. Like, look how cool this is. Isn't that cool? But I love Kinetic Sand, and it's one of my favorite things ever. I've done a few videos in the past on this, but now they have this kinetic slime thing, which I'm in love with this. Look at this. I can get it out all the way. So it's kind of like a slime material, and it's such a type of stress relieving. It doesn't have glue in it, really, and you can mold it and stuff, and it's really cool. And it's so awesome. I love Kinetic Sand. And I got this from Target, Walmart, you can find it at Marshall's even. This is awesome. So the last fidget toy I'm showing is actually squishies. I love squishies. I have so many of them. I have this dinosaur that's actually from Dollar Tree. You can find them at Dollar Tree for super cheap. You can make your own homemade squishies, which I've done a few videos on that too. I got this from Silly Squishies. I love Silly Squishies. You can get them at Banggood. You can get them at Banggood is a website as well. They have them at Target, Walmart, the corner store even, like Walgreens. Love squishies so much. And they're super stress relieving. And there's different types of them, like slow rising ones, and just ones that you can just squish over and over again. Absolutely love squishies. Yeah, but thanks for watching this video today. If you guys want to go find fidget toys, I listed it all in this video. It's all listed. But yeah, I love fidget toys so much. I'm so happy. They're very popular on TikTok and on YouTube as well. So yeah, and remember to check all the links in the description box to check out the Amazon ones and the Target ones if you want to find out how to get more of these fidget toys. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and peace and thumbs up for slime and squishies videos. Bye!